Why are my sheets data validation rules slow? Imagine trying to fill out a form and feeling like it takes forever to check each box. That's what slow data validation rules can feel like in your spreadsheets. When your sheets start lagging, it's often because of how the validation rules are set up. Let's explore what causes this slowdown and how you can fix it to make your work smoother. First, complex formulas inside your validation rules are a common culprit. If you use functions like now, rand, or indirect, Excel recalculates these every time the sheet updates. This constant recalculation uses up processing power and slows things down. Volatile functions are designed to update frequently, which is great for real-time data but bad for speed when used in validation rules. Next, applying validation to large ranges or entire columns can be a big drain. When you set validation rules over thousands of cells, Excel has to check each one whenever data changes. This can cause noticeable delays, especially if your data set is huge. Instead, try limiting the range to only the cells you actually need. Using Excel tables can help because they automatically adjust as you add or remove data, keeping validation efficient. Another factor is the use of array formulas or lookup functions like VLOOKUP over large ranges. These formulas perform many calculations, which can slow down your sheet. Switching to more efficient functions like index and match can speed things up because they calculate faster and are less resource-intensive. Having multiple validation rules layered on the same data can also cause delays. When rules are nested or overlapping, Excel has to process each one, increasing calculation time. Simplify your rules by consolidating them or removing unnecessary conditions. Conditional formatting and other features like volatile formulas used elsewhere in your sheet can also add to the slowdown. When combined with validation rules, they create a heavier load on Excel's processing. Keep these features simple or limit their use to avoid conflicts. External links or data connections are another source of lag. If your validation references data from outside sources, Excel must fetch that data each time it checks. This can take extra time, especially if the external source is slow or unreliable. To improve speed, keep validation rules self-contained or use static lists whenever possible. To make your sheets faster, limit validation to only the necessary cells. Use simple, non-volatile formulas inside validation rules. Replace VLOOKUP with index and match for lookups. Avoid array formulas in validation and use helper columns if needed. Keep your rules straightforward and avoid overlapping conditions. Use static lists instead of dynamic formulas for drop-downs. Regularly review and update your validation rules to keep them efficient. Also, keep your data and validation rules on the same sheet to reduce lookup times. Using Excel tables helps manage ranges dynamically and speeds up processing when adding or removing data. By following these best practices, you can keep your spreadsheets running smoothly and save time on every update. Improving performance in this way makes your work more productive and less frustrating, helping you master Excel and Word with ease.